Hi students, in this video we will discuss how to subtract hexadecimal numbers using binary arithmetic. In the last video we discussed subtraction of hexadecimal numbers using hexadecimal arithmetic. So consider an example 46 by 16 minus 26 by 16. So here we perform hexadecimal subtraction using binary arithmetic. So there are two methods for subtracting hexadecimal numbers using binary arithmetic. The first one is ones complement method. So in ones complement method, first we write the binary equivalent of the subtrahend. Okay, here the subtrahend is 26 by 16. So first we write the binary equivalent of 26 by 16. So to find the binary equivalent of hexadecimal number, we write 4-bit binary of each hexadecimal digit. That is 2 in 4-bit binary, that is 0010, and 6 in 2-bit binary, that is 0110. Then take the ones complement of this number. So ones complement of 0010, 0110, that is equal to 1101 1001. Okay, so that is equal to, so we can write this in hex, that is D9. Next we add the numbers 4, 6 and D9. So 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, that means F. Then D plus 4 is equal to 13 plus 4, 17. 17 in hexadecimal equivalent of the decimal number 17 is 17 minus 16, that is 1, 1. Okay, so 1, then 1 is carry out. Okay, so here there is a carry out from the MSB. So in the case of ones complement method, that carry out is added to the LSB. So we get F plus 1, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Hexadecimal equivalent of 16 is 10. So 0 here, carry goes to the next bit. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so our answer is 20. So 20 is the answer. That means 46 by 16 minus 26 by 16 is equal to 20 base 16. Okay. Next we subtract the same numbers using 2's complement method. So in 2's complement method, we write the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So 2's complement of 0010, 0110. This is ones complement plus 1. That is equal to ones complement plus 1. So ones complement is 1101 1001 plus 1, that is equal to 1101 1010. So convert it into hexadecimal. That means DA. Okay, next add the numbers 46 and DA. So 46 and DA are added together. a plus 6, a is equal to 10 in decimal, so 10 plus 6, 16. Then hexadecimal equivalent of 16 is 16 minus 16, 0, that is 1 0. Carry goes to the next bit. Then add d 4 and 1, d is equal to 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 1 18. Hexadecimal equivalent of decimal 18 is 18 minus 6 is equal to 2, that means 1 2. So here 2, then carry 1. So in the case of 2's complement addition, carry is discarded. Okay, so our answer is 2 0. So we get 46, 4 6 base 16 minus 2 6 base 16 is equal to 2 0 base 16. Okay. Next example, suppose we subtract a larger number from a smaller number. That is 4 6 is subtracted from 2 6. Okay, so here also we can use 1's complement method or 2's complement method. So in 1's complement method, first we take the binary of the subtrahend. That is 4 6 in 4 6 base 16. The binary equivalent is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So 1's complement of that is 1's complement of 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1, that is equal to B 9. Okay, so next add 2 6 and B 9. So we get 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, that is F. Then B plus 2, B is equal to 11, 11 plus 2 13, that means D in hexadecimal. Okay, so here there is no carry from the MSB, that means the result is negative, so we have to take the 1's complement. So 1's complement of DF. Okay, so that is first you represent DF in hexadecimal. DF is equal to DF base 16 is equal to 1101 1111. Okay, so 1's complement of that is 1101 1111 is equal to 0010 000, that is equal to 2 0. That means the result is a negative number. Okay, result is a negative number, that is 2 6 base 16 minus 4 6 base 16 is equal to minus 2 0 base 16. Okay, next we perform the same subtraction operation in 2's complement method. So we have to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend is equal to 1's complement plus 1. So 2's complement of 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 is equal to 1's complement plus 1. That is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1, that is the 1's complement, plus 1, that is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so that is equal to B A in hexadecimal. Next we add the numbers 2 6 and B A. So 6 plus A is equal to 10. So 10 plus 16 is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. That is 1 0 in hexadecimal. So 0 is the sum and carry goes to the next bit. So here B plus 2 plus 1. B is equal to 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 1 14. 14 means E in hexadecimal. Okay, so there is no carry from the MSB, that means the result is negative. So we have to take the 2's complement of the result. So E0 is equal to 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. 2's complement of 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 is 1's complement plus 1, that is 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1, that is equal to 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so that's equal to 2 0. So our answer is 2 6 base 16 is equal to 2 6 base 16 minus 4 6 base 16 is equal to minus 20 base 16. So here there is no carry from the MSB, that means the result is a negative number. Okay, so this is how the subtraction of binary numbers is performed using binary arithmetic. So the procedure for subtraction of hexadecimal numbers using 1's complement method is: first represent the subtrahend in binary, that means each digit in hex is converted to 4-bit binary. Then find the 1's complement of the binary subtrahend and convert the complement to hex. Add the minuend and subtrahend. If there is a carry out from MSB, then add the carry to the LSB and the result is positive. If there is no carry, means the result is negative, and find again 1's complement of the result for the magnitude. Then subtraction of hexadecimal numbers using 2's complement method. The procedure is: represent the subtrahend in binary, that means each digit in hex is converted to 4-bit binary. Find the 2's complement of binary subtrahend and convert the complement to hex. Add the minuend and subtrahend. If there is a carry out from MSB, that means discard the carry and the result is positive. And if there is no carry, means the result is negative, and find again 2's complement of the result for magnitude. Okay, so this is the procedure for subtracting 2 hexadecimal numbers using binary arithmetic. Okay, thank you.